This channel is sponsored by Creality. Creality has all of your 3D tools that you need to bring your ideas to life. Scanners, printers, and even engravers. And there's very cool things that you can make with them, such as a little boat, a vase, or vase, a little supercar, a full-size supercar. Start your journey at Creality.com. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna try test fitting a wing. So we'll show you that a little later. But I got to get the rear bumper back on and the engine covers, just so we can fit everything up. So I think it'll be some fun. So let's go get started. Hey guys, so I've got the wing mocked up. Just hold it into place with a few screws. Tried to get it, centered and blocked up as you saw in the time lapse. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. It's a little low on this side, but that I think is because this joint kind of came apart on me. You can see there's a large separation here. So I'm gonna have to come in with a razor, cut this, and then lift it up, re-glue it, and then it'll be where this one is right now. So that's why we do this mock-up, and that's why we do these kinds of things. So yeah, you can see it kind of tipping down there a little bit. So we'll go ahead and we'll fix that. But I think it's relatively straight. And then we'll have to come up with some permanent mounting where we bolt it to that rear mount that mounts to the chassis. So and as you saw, I have some shims in there right now, so we'll have to build up some real material like some metal or aluminum and whatnot, maybe weld it in there, and then get really nice hardware to mount that to the frame. The other thing is these stanchions are 3D printed and they're hollow, so I can really get in there and reinforce them. I might reinforce them with some aluminum or something like that, as well as carbon fiber, so that they're nice and strong, so that if we do get some downforce, the wing just doesn't break off and fly off the car. That'd be bad. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. So the next thing is that I'm gonna send you over to some cool cars we saw today. We had some guys from Shift Colorado come over. They're part of the Cars and Coffee crowd, and they came over and did a shoot with the Aventador. They also took some photos of the McLaren project. So a big shout out to Brennan and those guys. Anyway, I will put a link in the description to their contacts, so you can see what they do, you can see their channel, and check them out and see what you think. Hey guys, what you printing now? Well, here's our K1 Max cooking along, and what we're printing today is we're actually printing the top part of the windshield surround. So basically this goes on top of the roof structure in the front. So we're going to be printing that, and that will hopefully mate up really well with the understructure that we also printed. Now for other things, we've got the front surround all put together. Some So I'm going to do a shout out to Inja, who's doing a 650 S McLaren. I'll put a link to his channel. You should go check out that build. It's really awesome. He's doing some great work, and I think it's a very interesting project. So he and I are both looking for frunk components. So if you guys know of a 650S frunk, surround, and tub, please go to his YouTube channel and give him a shout out and let him know that you have something that he can get. Otherwise, we may be doing some 3D printing for him, so we'll see how that goes. The other thing is that I think you saw this last time. We got this all going, and got the shift lever in here. I actually have something else. I have this over here. So I've got a start button. This is what it's going to look like, and it has a glow around the edge, and this will go basically right here. The other thing that we've done is the rear wing. So I'm going to take this upstairs in a minute, and we'll walk you through putting this together and then test fitting it on the car itself. In addition, I printed out these stanchions. I added a little more meat here on the bottom so that I have a mounting surface for it, and then this mounts to the wing itself. So we'll be doing that. Also over here, so yeah, we've got our wiper tray, which you've seen. And then over here we've got the, I kind of finished up the dash, and we've got the infotainment thing here. So we're gonna get that all straightened out, fit it into the car, and then start adding some parts to it, like the vents and whatnot. For fun, I had a friend of mine, her name is Carrie, and she needed something printed on my big CRM4. This is a 1/2 meter by 1/2 meter by 1/2 meter Creality system. And while I can't print the ASA on it because it's not an enclosed system, I can print really big, cool stuff. So she needed a prop for a play that she's doing, and she needed a really big blue shoe. So printed out this really big blue shoe. So it's pretty credible stuff. I love the color that came out on this. This is a blue PLA, and I think it came out really well. Yeah, this printer did a really good job. It was a 42-hour single print, and no hiccups. The machine just chugged through and did a great job. So if you guys need something really big, the CRM4 is for you. Well guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already done that. Hit that like button and that notification bell when you want to hear about new videos we drop. So again, thank you guys for watching and commenting. Love all the comments. You guys take care. Bye.